Hello, bird people. Rene here, your birding guide from Brazil. The Pantanal, one of the busiest wildlife destinations in Brazil. A place where it is easy to see and enjoy so many animals in their natural environment. The land of jaguars. Basically, it is a very large floodplain with several different habitats. In other words, a playground for birders, photographers, and nature lovers. Today, I have a list of 4 cool target birds for you to be looking for on your Pantanal trip. Only the good stuff here, check it out. The number one in our list inhabits the darkest and most secluded parts of rivers and marshes in Central and South America. Even wearing a very distinct and colorful plumage, the agami heron can be quite tricky to find. But it is always worth the effort, I tell you. What a bird! It definitely likes peace and tranquility. Avoids other herons and egrets by looking for food on very dense vegetation. Look at this one showing himself very well, sunbathing. We got lucky. The agami heron is a very sensitive bird that disappears quickly at any signs of human disturbance. Considered vulnerable by IUCN as there is not much information about its biology. Manakins are very special birds, and every birder visiting Brazil is interested in seeing one of those beauties. In Pantanal, the most abundant manakin is the helmeted, a striking black and red bird with a peculiar crest. It has a very large distribution, found mainly in Brazil with a few records in Bolivia and East Paraguay. As a typical manakin, the helmeted feeds mainly on fruit. So to find it, look for fruiting trees and mistletoes along tall forests around rivers and lagoons. The female is all olive, very difficult to spot. Have you seen the helmeted manakin in the wild? As a parrot person, I love Pantanal. In one day, we see at least 3 or 4 species of parrots. The yellow-colored macaw is one of the most charismatic here. A medium-sized parrot with lots of berry skin on the face, pale feet, and the diagnostic yellow color. Quite easy to ID. It is not the most common parrot in Pantanal, but it's not difficult to find either. Always in small family groups or pairs. This macaw can be seen sometimes walking on the ground looking for seeds. This one is chewing grass. As we can see here, they also include flowers and pollen on their diet. According to eBird, this species can be found mostly in Bolivia and Brazil. What a distinctive ibis! How elegant is our last bird on this list? The plumbeous ibis is found in open habitat, dry or wet, where they join several other species in search for insects, mollusks, small fish, snails, and even small snakes. A quite common bird in Pantanal. Its voice is part of Pantanal's soundscape. Pay attention to it so you can better locate it. Normally, the birds sing from higher perches. The plumbeous ibis has a large distribution as well. It can be found mostly in Brazil, Bolivia, Paraguay, Argentina, and Uruguay. That's all, folks. I hope you liked this little list of cool birds from Pantanal. Have you seen any of them? Write in the comments where you saw it. In case you are planning to visit Pantanal and need a professional bilingual guide, my email is on the description of this video. Thanks for watching!